Hello everyone, if you are a mainframe professional and looking forward a sustainable career path, then I would recommend you to like, share and subscribe our channel for more technical updates. Today we are going to see about what system programmers will do day to day and why there is a huge demand. Okay. So now, do you know 70% of the worldwide transactions are running on mainframe systems, and even it's increasing. Almost 90% of the enterprise sees this mainframe as a long-term growth platform, right? So which means almost Z16 and 17 is going to run 2500 million instructions per second. Such a huge capability it has got. Now for every mission critical application, the person, the specialist who is behind this for making the system 24/7 up and running is 𝗁𝘂𝗁 system programmer. Now what they will do, or what are the skills they might have to do this activity, in the sense 𝗁𝘂𝗁 system programmer will install operating system, they will upgrade operating system, they will install vendor product, upgrade the vendor product and configure this product. So to do this they may need SMPE, software program modification extended, and with the recent operating system we have a modern tool called 𝗍𝗁𝑚𝑓, which also helps you to install and do the configure or workload automation in a much better way with web interface. And for doing any kind of a custom changes, system programmers work with 𝗵𝗵𝗹, 𝗏2 customization and TCP/IP changes, VTAM changes and storage related configurations. So as well as all your securities will be managed with RACF, top secret or ACF2 products. So these security related customization and configurations, they might be doing it, and all the system activities will be tracked with SMF, and it will be measured with RMF, and your workload will be managed by WLM, workload manager. So these are all the, and in case of any kind of an issues you wanted to troubleshoot, they have to work with system dumps, SVC dumps, and also trace activities, dump and trace or problem determinations with syslog and logrec, upper log, whatnot, right? So all these troubleshooting capabilities they will do. And in fact with the latest modernization related workload, they also work with 𝗁-DevOps or CI/CD orchestration, 𝗁CX container extensions and Ansible workload, which means 𝗁𝘂𝗁 integration with Ansible managed node. So these are all the modern tools which system programmers are trying to upskill so that they can keep their role in the sustainable way. So now we have seen what these 𝗁𝘂𝗁 system programmer do and what are the modules they may be having an expertise with. Now there is a huge demand for this role. If you see the recent past, there is a huge organizations are required. Most of the system programmers, you would have seen the job market, right? So the first is actually modernizations or hybrid cloud workloads are increasing, and so which requires API integrations and kind of an hybrid workload related engagements. Accordingly system need to be configured. And number two, there is a huge skill gap. So there are 20+ years of 𝗁𝘂𝗁 system programmers are getting retired more, I mean there is a huge number of the people is getting retired. So there is a lot of scope for system programmers to come in, and of course there is a demand too. And as we have seen, this 𝗁-DevOps adoption is also increasing. So that also need your modern tools need to be installed, configured, and CI/CD orchestration related engagements are happening. So that's point number 3. And 4, the recent systems like Z16 and 17 with AI infused processors, right? You can able to track the real-time transaction with fraudulent activities with AI/ML algorithms, right? And that requires the new related types of workload which 𝗁𝘂𝗁 system programmers have to participate in. And number 5, there is an obviously the global market growth, compounded annual growth rate is keep on increasing. So for the next 5 years there will be huge system related changes is going to happen, and workload is getting transformed. So these 5 pointers keeps your system programmers role in a huge demand. Thank you so much. Keep following us for the more technical updates. Thank you.